Well, this is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck that my sister and I are in the process of restoring. And today what I wanted to do was talk about the fabrication of this lower felt oil seal, which is on my T12 steering column, and it's actually located at the lower end of the steering shaft where it goes into this top cover of the steering gearbox itself. I spent quite a bit of time looking for this felt seal. Couldn't find anything really that would work, but I did come upon some classifications for felt seals, and I also found Granger had felt seal material available to use. And this is a 12 by 12 half-inch thick piece of felt that I can use to form this oil seal, this lower oil seal on my steering column assembly. This has got a classification. I looked up online. There's different classifications for felt. This is classified as an F3. There's the part number. It's 80% felt, and it's supposedly designed to work well as an oil seal for systems. And what I did was I then took a look at this steering shaft post here, and the seal needs to go over that but go inside of this top cover here. And so what I did was I went ahead and took the measurements here, and the measurement for the steering post was 7/8 of an inch in diameter. And then I found that the diameter, inside diameter for my top cover here was 1 1/16 inches. And so what I did was I went ahead and drilled out a couple of holes to match those specifications. So here's my 7/8 of an inch hole that will allow this seal to fit over the shaft here. And then this here is my 1 1/16 inch hole that I drilled out so that I could cut the outer part of the seal itself. I ended up using these circular bits here. This is a 7/8 bit here, and that's what I used to drill out this hole. And then what I plan on doing is laying this on the felt material, compressing it, and using that by allowing the drill to spin backwards to hopefully cut through the material and cut out that inside part of the gasket. For the outer part, I actually ended up using 1.25 inch circular bit here because once you cut everything out, what's left on the inside was exactly 1 1/16 inch, maybe just a tad more. And that's what I'm going to use to cut the outer part of the seal. And so what I want to do is go ahead and get this clamped. Okay, I've got this clamped down. Make sure my drill is in reverse. Go ahead and slide that into here. And so there it is, the felt inside of there. And you can see the hole that it was cut out. So now what I'm going to do is overlay this onto here. Kind of get that hole centered in there. Looks like it's pretty much centered in there. So again, I'm going to take this, put it in reverse, and see if I can finish cutting this out. And so there I have the oil seal for this. There's my inner diameter, there's my outer diameter. I'm going to clean it up just a little bit more with some scissors. We'll go ahead and see how it fits on the shaft. So as you can see, it fits on the shaft, and it actually is sliding in there a little bit. And so what I'll do is I'll clean this up a little bit more and oil it down a little bit. They do say to oil the felt seal a little bit to help keep oil in, keep dust out. And so I'll go ahead and clean that up, finish mounting that in there, and then I'll be able to put my steering post cover jacket over this, bolted here, get this thing ready to mount. Hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.